It's possible if your love is sincere of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If a person loves another so much and loves this person more than anything and anybody else, if that person says drop, that person drops. That's when your love is truthful. That's why you find from the companions, and if one of them was eating a date, then heard the legislation of jihad, he wouldn't even finish eating the date. He would go and fight, like it happened. And the person was killed and martyred without ever praying a single rak'ah, because he heard that this is the legislation. So when a person's heart truly loves the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, sahih, true. And not only at the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not only even today. Wallahi, even today you meet some people, you have a person who has a really successful business, selling khamar, a'udhu billah, or riba, and then Eemaan enters into his heart and leaves it within an instance. I know a brother told me once, a very successful brother, he said one day, he had a shop, an off license, he goes, I just put the shutter down and I walked away. Just like that, I walked away. So when the sweetness of Eemaan enters into the heart of a person, yes, it's possible.